Hola estudiantes, today we're going to take a look at how to log into your eText for the first time. Step 1 is to get to my teacher website, which if you're watching this video you've already done. If you look in our left-hand toolbar, we're going to be using this Realidades eText link to access your eText, so we're going to click that first. When you come to our new web page, there's a reminder at the top that you must be logging in on a computer, not an iPad or tablet or smartphone, as these directions do not work with that type of device. For those devices, there's a separate app that you need to download. So this tutorial is for logging on with your laptops or with your desktops. Right. Since this is your first time logging in, you should have already clicked this tutorial video link. It's what you're watching now. If you try to log in and you have trouble logging into your eText because you get an error message, come back to this page. Please watch this tutorial video. It tells you how to get around the error message. Right, some reminders before you get started. You're going to click here in just a moment to access the login web page for the Realidades eText. But first, let's take a look at what your username is and what your password is. Your username, and it will all be lowercase, is the initial of your first name, the initial of your last name, and your student ID number. For example, if John Smith has a student ID number of 54321, his login is JS, both lowercase, 54321, no spaces and no special characters. This year's 8th grade students, unless you are a new student, your password is Spanish with a capital S, .2015, and yes, this S must be capitalized as your password is a case-sensitive password. New students, the only change to your password is instead of 2015, yours will be .2016. Right, let's click here and sign into our eText. Right, so we're going to use my student account, Senora Diaz, SD, 54321. There's my lunch code. And we'll type in my password, capital S, PANISH, .2015. And we'll click sign in. Since this is my first time in the eText, this website pops up with a tutorial window. You can choose to watch it, choose to check settings and so on, or you can simply click enter, which I'm going to do today, and we see our dashboard. To log into your eText, you come up the top right-hand corner, select the drop-down arrow next to eText. At this time, you only have one textbook available here at Springton Lake. If you go to Pencrest and you continue with Spanish, you will have additional eTexts added to your profile. So we'll click Realidades I. When we sign into your eText, you're going to see that you have a navigation bar on the left-hand side. You can choose to go through the eText according to which chapter in which we're working, or typically you have a page number that I've assigned you in class, so you can choose to close this window, and then you can type in the correct page number here. Let's say we're working on present progressive tense, and I know that's on page 308, so I'm going to type in 308 now. The grammar page comes up. You can see the notes that we looked at in class that you filled in your note sheets with. And if you need to watch our grammar video again, if you come over here to this corner, you'll notice there is a film strip icon here on the right-hand side. And if you click the film strip icon, the grammar video will automatically pop up and open for you and begin playing. If the video does not do this, you have a pop-up blocker installed in your browser, and you simply need to head up to the toolbar at the top of your page and click Allow this video to play. If you have any questions, please email me or see me in class. Thank you for watching.